At New Jersey American Water, our business is water and wastewater service. One question we're sometimes asked is, what should I do with fats, oils, and grease from cooking? Fats, oils, and grease from cooking are typically liquid when warm and solid at cooler temperatures. This allows them to easily pass through the drain in your sink, but that doesn't mean you should pour them there. Once fats, oils, and grease get to the lower, cooler parts of your pipes, they turn into a thick sludge that sticks to the inside. Dishwashing detergents and garbage disposals are no match for fats, oils, and grease, which build up over time in pipes. This buildup can lead to sewer backups for homeowners and sewage overflows throughout the wastewater system, increasing costs for repairs and posing a potential threat to public health and wildlife. To avoid clogging home plumbing and sewage pipes with fats, oils, and grease, never pour them down sink drains or into toilets. Instead, try pouring them into an empty jar or can. If you wait for the grease to cool, it will solidify, making it easier to throw in the trash. You should also scrape food scraps from plates, pots, and utensils into the trash before rinsing in the sink, and install baskets or strainers in your drain to catch any remaining food scraps. For more tips and to learn more about wastewater, visit NewJerseyAMWater.com.